Good, good evening, everyone. Today we have topic that is the finance, money, magic. So everyone in world without money we cannot live, we cannot survive. So it is the most important thing we have to aware what is the role, what is the magic of money. Because in the today's scenario, if we are thinking, I have to take fresh air, then fresh air we have to take through AC, air condition, through uh, there is the air purifier. Okay, it means everywhere I have to spend money. And when we are talking about water, water is coming in the packed water. Again, we have to pay money. So it means ki air and water that is essential for you and me life. For that we have to pay money. It means ki without money we cannot survive. We cannot alive. So it means it is the most important thing to understand what is the finance and money rules. So that we are going to decode today how it is the important and how we have to think what is the money and what kind of the finance tips, finance trick we have to adopt in our life so we can survive, we can grow. So before starting this one, if you have any question, you can you can have the diary, mobile, laptop anywhere. So you can put down your question. So at end of session, we can have the question answer session, and it is the my promise to you that we will discuss each and every one question before end of today's session. So as we are aware ki now it is the 2025, so just I have the decoded 2002 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 9. So if we are keeping the some 9 tips, 9 value of money, then nobody can stop to earn money and to enjoy money. Earning money is the one thing, but enjoying money is the another thing. So earning money as with enjoying money, that is the most important thing. So in 2025, we have to focus on 9 elements so we can enjoy good money and we can have good life. The first thing, whenever you are getting any money, whenever you are getting any money, it is the tax treatment. Whether you are in India, where you are in USA, Australia, Dubai, XYZ, everywhere you have to pay taxes. Reason is that without tax, government cannot work. Government is working only when they collect some money from public. Like you and me, they are charging income tax, they are charging GST, they are charging property registration charge when we are going entertainment for the film, cinema, etc. All those things, they are charging some GST, entertainment tax, each and everywhere. When we are going out for traveling, like within the India, outside India, then they are charging GST, or sometimes they are charging some VAT, etc. everywhere. It means without money, even government cannot survive. The today first we will discuss whenever you are getting some money, whenever you are getting some money, what is the tax statement? Whether government can ask, suppose that I have given the 1 lakh rupees to you, can government can ask कि Mr. X, you have received 1 lakh rupees from Manish. Give me the 30% tax, 20% tax, 5% tax. So that we have to 100% clear in our mind what kind of money is taxable, what kind of money is not taxable. So we have to understand concept, we have to understand the theory of inflow money. When you are getting any money, it has some nature, it has some condition. Nature of condition is that suppose that Mr. X is giving 1 lakh rupees to me, then if it is the condition, okay, Manish, I am giving the 1 lakh rupees as you desire, there is a need, and I I will take or I will return that money within the 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 5 years, 10 years. But this is the I will receive from you. Okay? Right now, I am giving to you because there is some requirement. But after 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, 2 year, I will receive it. Then it is a precondition. Okay, whatever the money I am getting, I have to return. Then there is no question of the tax. So first, if you are getting the precondition, like I have to return. So If there is a some returning condition, then it is considered as loan, and there is no taxation in whole world on loan. Not even the India, not in the USA, not Australia, in never ever in world, in no country is charging income tax, GST, or anything on loan. So first of all, you have to understand whatever the money you are getting, and it is a precondition. You have to return in future. Then it is considered as loan, and there is no taxation on loan. Then there is another kind of the money. There is no precondition not to return. It means whatever the money you have received from Mr. X, Y, Z, A, B, C, okay, then you have not to return. That money will be kept with you. Like right now, I'm giving the session to you. It is a free session, but suppose that I'm charging the 99 rupees, 100 rupees, 1000 rupees, 5000 rupees per participant, and participate, they have given to 99 rupees, 999 rupees, 1 lakh rupees for the half an hour or 1 hour consultancy. So I have not to return. So when I have not to return, then it will be I will be the owner. Once I will be the owner, then it will be considered as the income. And whole in a whole world, there is a taxation on the income. So that we have to understand. First, we have to understand if it is a precondition, I have to return, then it is the loan and there is no taxation. Then second condition is I have to not return. Then I have not to return, then it means it can be loan. Suppose that I have given the loan Mr. X and he has returned to me. So now there is no condition because first I have given Mr. X, now he is giving. So it is the repayment of loan. So again, but there is no condition to return. Okay. But it is a repayment of loan. Again, it is the no taxation. Suppose that anyone has given that gift to me. Suppose that my uncle has given that $10,000, 50,000 rupees as a gift to me. In gift, there is no such as the condition I have to return. It means that will be with me every time, and I will be the 100% owner of that particular gift. That gift can be cash amount, that gift can be lottery, that can be gold, that amount can be as a real estate or any share of the any company. Anything can be gift. Okay. So once it is the gift, it is your income. Now you have to understand whether this income is taxable or not. In India, if you are receiving some gift from your relative, like a spouse, sibling, your father, okay, grandfather, okay, then there is no taxation. But apart from your relative, suppose that I have received 1 lakh rupees from my friend, I have received 1 lakh rupees from anyone other than my family, okay, then it is the taxable. And last one is the income. You are receiving some money when you have given some services, you have sell some product, you have provided some your employment. So whatever the money you are getting, that is called income. So income is the taxable. Gift is taxable in some condition. There is some condition when you are getting you are receiving the gift from the family member, relative, then it is not taxable. Otherwise, it is taxable. Loan giving to give loan or to receive back loan, it is not taxable. Now, I hope it is 100% clear with you what kind of inflow money is taxable. Now, we have to understand if I'm talking in concept, in concert, in context of India. If I'm talking in in context of India, then income is divided into 5 categories. Income is divided into 5 category. That is the one salary income. Suppose that I'm working with XYZ company, or PSU, Government of India, state government, and for employment, I'm getting some money at the end of month. Then it is called the salary income, and my salary income is taxable. House property. Suppose that my father or I have created 1 property, 2 property, 3 property, and I have let out to Mr. XYZ. I'm getting the rent. When I'm getting the rent, this is the income and it is again taxable. I'm the doctor, I'm advocate, I'm the business owner, I'm the chemist, shopkeeper. Okay, so I'm running some profession and business. So if anyone who is the involved in business or profession, then again, whatever the money is received from that particular activity, it is called it is called income from business and profession, and it is taxable. What is the capital gain? As its name saying, it is the capital. Capital means, suppose that I have the two houses. Now I'm thinking ki, yeah, it's very difficult to maintain two houses. In one house I'm residing and there is no need of the second house. I want to sell. I want to sell. So when I'm selling my house, and whatever the gain I'm getting, that is called capital gain. Suppose that this house has been built by my father 20 years back, and they have spent around 20 lakh rupees. And today's scenario, I'm getting the 1 CR. So 1 CR minus 20 lakhs, that is the 80 lakh rupees, that is the gain, and that gain is considered as the capital gain, and I have to pay tax as per the capital gain. And there is the some income if it is not covered in the under salary head, house property, business and profession, and capital gain, that income is considered income from other source. Like we everyone in India have the saving account, and we are aware that in saving account banking is paying some interest. It can be 3.5, 4%, 5%, any amount. Okay. So whatever the amount as the interest we are getting, that is the tax under the income from other source. So now I'm 100% sure that you are the clear that in India all your income is divided into the five category. One is the salary income, another is the house property, third is the business activity, capital gain, and other source. So your whole income is divided under the five heads, and each head has own expenditure, own rule regulation. So your taxation is the claim. Like if you have the capital gain, as I have discussed with you, sale consideration is the 1 CR. I have cost was the 20 lakh rupees. So I'm getting the 80 lakh rupees. So on 80 lakh rupees, I have to pay only at the rate of the 12.5% or 20% if I'm taking the some indexation benefit. But in case of salary income, whatever the income I'm getting, almost every amount is the taxable. But in case of the business and profession, whatever the expenditure related to business, I'm allowed to take deduction. And if there is some money is receiving, suppose that I have sold 10 lakh rupees. I have received to sold the 10 lakh rupees, and I have purchased the goods, and I have made the payment of the rent or salary, etc. All this thing, that is the 9 lakhs 50,000 rupees. So whatever the net is coming, that is the only 90,000, that is the my income. And that is again, it is the like any other income. So every head has the own nature, own pro and cons, and own rate of taxes. Now, this is the my two book that is the available on the Amazon, where you can find out how taxation uh, is applicable in India, and how you can plan your tax to save. So in the both book, you can find the lots of the tax planning, and both are on income taxes that is related to profession, that is related to individual and taxpayer. And this both book has been written in the very simple word, so you can understand what kind of the information I'm providing, and it is no need to take any dictionary or any terminology, because I have used the very simple language. Now, back on topic. First, first rule of first rule of money or finance is we have to focus on increasing inflow. Suppose that I'm doing job Monday to Friday, 10 to 6. Then I know in the last month, I got the 5%, 10%, 12% increment. I'm 100% sure that at least I have to wait 6 months or 1 year for the next increment. Then what is the possibility of the inflow? How I can increase my inflow? Then I have the some other activity, like I have the free time Saturday and Sunday. I can start some coaching center. I can start giving the some tuition activity, or I can start some business activity that is only available on the Saturday and Sunday. If my friend is working, my friend has a work business, and he is busy on the Saturday and Sunday, then I can tie up with him. Ki bhai, I have the leave. or I'm the free on the Saturday, Sunday, so why not I join your business and you are the not available on the Saturday, Sunday, so that we will do together. So that kind of the activity you can start and you can increase your inflow. So your inflow can be increased from the your job, business, and investment. Investment, suppose that I have the 5 crore rupees. I have 5 crore rupees. I have purchased 2 and 3 houses, and every house I have let out. So whatever the rent I'm getting, that is the investment income. I have explained to you job and business income, all those things. So we have to try every time to increase our inflow. How we can increase our inflow from the same activity? Suppose that I'm the chartered accountant and I'm doing the job in the accounts field, accounts department. Okay, then I can start some accounting taxes, accounting or tax consultancy on the Saturday, Sunday. And suppose that after 7 o'clock, I can give the 1 hour, 2 hours consultancy. I can give the some coaching classes related to my topic. So that I have to start inflow in the same activity. Reason is that suppose that I'm chartered accountant, I'm the accounts field, and I have started to earn income in sales department, in website designing, then it is not possible to me. Reason, I have the limited time, I have the only 1 and 2 hours, and for that, I'm by profession, I'm chartered accountant and I'm selling the website. Or I'm saying ki I'm the very good in the website. So first I have to learn website, I have to learn the cloud technology, I have to learn coding, etc. All those things. So that I cannot do. So first we have to try in the same activity, and we have to try the some other job like 9 to 6 or 10 to 7. I'm doing the job, so it is very difficult to take another job कि रात में दिन भर में I'm doing the one job and whole night I will do the another job. So that is not possible. Then what I can do? Other work, like I can start some business activity, I can start some tuition work, I can start consultancy work. So first we have to do the same activity but some other diversify work. And another is the hobby. Suppose that I have seen कि यार my accounts, I don't want to give the tuition on the accounts. Reason is दिन भर office में भी accounts, tuition में भी accounts. No, 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 I don't want to do. Then I have find out, यार I was very good in the painting. Why not I have to try the giving the tuition or giving the coaching in the painting? Okay, so that I have to find out कि if I have the some other kind of the hobbies, it can be singing, it can be cricket, football, baseball, any kind of. It is not related to only painting and singing. It can be any kind of the hobbies. So if you are the expert in that particular activity, then you can start the earning from your hobbies. Okay. So same activity, other work, or very different, but that you are the expert, that you can find out from the your hobbies. Income, you can find out the active source or the passive source. Active source, that can be 1 or 2 maximum, and passive source you can have minimum 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I will explain what is the active source, what is the passive source. Anyone who is doing the job business and they are going office 9 to 5, 9 to 6, 9 to 8, okay, then it is the active source. Anyone who is the doctor and he's giving the 5 hours, 7 hours, 10 hours in the clinic, hospital, then it is the active source. But for in the 24 hours, he's giving the 5 hours, 6 hours, 10 hours, and he's working. Then it is called the active source. What is the passive source? Passive source is the, suppose that I have the additional 1 lakh rupees. I have kept as a fixed deposit or bank saving account into bank. Then tell me one thing. So I have deposited 1 lakh rupees in bank. Whether we are going bank every day कि भाई साहब मेरा पैसा सही है कि नहीं, आपने कहीं लोन पर अच्छे से लगाया कि नो, we are not going bank every day. In spite of that, bank is giving some 5%, 3.3, 3.5%, 7%, 8%. That will depend कि which kind of the FD or which kind of the accounts they are offering and I have adopted. So without doing activity, if I am earning some money, then it is called the passive source. Suppose that now I'm involved, live I'm involved with you, then it is the active source. Suppose that I'm running my video. I have uh, created one video, and every time I'm putting the same video, then it will be the passive income. So it is a very thin line. When you are giving your 100% effort, then it is the active source. And when you are not giving, you have given the 100% one time, two time, but you are getting the every time inflow, then it is the passive source. Suppose that I have uploaded one video on the YouTube. So YouTube, what was the my active source? एक बार मेरे को लगा एक्टिवली वर्क लगा, बट this video is seen by after 2 years, 10 years, 50 years, and even after my I'm no more involved. In spite of that video is seen, then it is called the passive source. Then decrease outflow. If suppose that I'm not able to increase my inflow, then we have to think about the decreasing outflow. Outflow like lifestyle, need, and luxury. We have to understand what is the need, what is the luxury. Suppose that I'm giving the one example. Just 1 second. Uh, this is the pencil. This is the pencil. And pencil is coming in the 1 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 100 rupees. And I have to write on book or diary. Then there is no need to go. There is no need to go. Okay, I will buy this pencil in 100 rupees, 200 rupees. That pencil can be in the 1 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. So I have to understand okay, what is the need, what is the luxury. And another example, this is the phone, mobile phone. Okay. Mobile phone can be like you can buy in the 10,000, you can buy in the 15,000, you can buy in the 50,000, even the 1 lakh rupees. But suppose that your salary is the 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, then there is no need to buy mobile phone of the 50,000, 1 lakh rupees. That you can manage in the 5,000, 6,000, 10,000 region. Okay, mobile is the basically to receive phone and to make call. And I'm 100% sure that any phone that is related to 5,000, 10,000, 9,000, then you can receive or you can receive phone and you can give call. Okay. So that we have to understand. And if I'm not able to increase my inflow, so we have to decrease our outflow, and we have to understand the difference between need and luxury. Hobbies. Sometimes you have, suppose that I have the hobby to go on the highway, and I have to hobby to buy some antique pieces, then you can spend some money on a one and two hobbies, but you are spending all money on the hobbies, then it will create problem to you. Then you have to understand luxury, need, and hobby. That, and I have already explained to you, you have to choose, you have to understand the need, that is your requirement, as well as the luxury. Whatever income you are receiving from business, job, investment, you have to save at least 10%. If due to some reason you are not saving the 10%, then there is some problem in your inflow, or there is some problem in your outflow. If you have find out your outflow, then you have to reduce, and you are finding that there is no, I have to increase your outflow, then you have to think which activity that will provide. You have to change your job, you have to uh, add some line in your business, or you have to do some extra effort, anything, but you have to save at least 10% of your income. If you have some money, then you have to make the investment in real estate, PPF, gold, equity share, some insurance, bond, etc. Everywhere you have to make that is your investment. But before making investment, if you are investing in real estate for the rental purpose, then you have to remember one particular thing. If your total net worth is more than 5 crore, your total net worth is more than 5 crore rupees, then you have to invest in the real estate. Otherwise, I will not advise, because as per the finance rule, no one will advise to you to make investment if your total net flow or net worth is less than 5 CR. No luxury investment. As I have told to you about, I have taken the example of the mobile phone. When we have planning to buy mobile phone, so first we have some budget like 10,000 rupees. But when we start to search mobile, then this budget goes up, and 10,000 to 15 and 20,000 to Jana, it is a very common thing. So, but whether it is the possible in case of the investment, suppose that this month I am thinking to make 5,000 rupees investment, but whether it is the possible at the end of the month, I have planned for the 5,000, now it is going to 20,000 कि मैं तो इस month में 5,000 सोचा था, but मैं तो 20,000 rupees invest कर रहा हूँ. That is not possible. But it is the possible in case of the expenditure. Whatever the amount we have thought for the budget, वो बजट से हमेशा ऊपर खर्च हो जाता है, तो आवर इन्वेस्टमेंट बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव द सो मच सेविंग, तो इन्वेस्टमेंट ज्यादा हो नहीं पाता है. तो आवर नीड बिकम द लग्जरी एक्सपेंडिचर, बट आवर need investment cannot be luxury investment. So that we have to understand how we have to make the need investment into the luxury investment. Whatever you have the EMI related to your home, related to your car, related to anything, that EMI should not be more than 50% of your total income. Now you can have the some question to me, Manish, in the today's scenario, home is the very expensive. It is not possible because my salary is the 1 lakh rupees and I have to pay the 70,000 rupees as the EMI. So you will find out. You will find out that you are facing the some financial stress. So if due to some reason, if you have increased your inflow or you have decreased your outflow and your total EMI is the maximum of the 50,000, 50% of your income, then you will find out, yeah, now it is a good thing. I'm not facing the financial stress. That you have to find out how you can manage yourself, whether you want to stay in the financial state or you want to become financial free person. Then before making any investment, you have to see what is your ROI, what is the liquidity. Suppose that I have the free amount 10 lakh rupees. I have the free amount 10 lakh rupees and I am aware that my daughter is has passed +2 and within the 1 year she has to go outside India. My one of the friend has told me, Manish, there is the one property value is around 21 lakh rupees. So chalo na hum dono partnership mein we can purchase within the 7 to 8 months money will be double. And he has given the lot of the proof कि भाई उस Mr. X ने purchase कर लिया, Mr. Y ने purchase कर लिया, within the 6 months money become the double. I am 100% sure. What I did, 10 मैंने लगाया, 10 मेरे friend ने लगाया, 2021 का था, we have purchased the property. But due to some reason, I was not able to sell when my daughter was going outside India. What will happen? कि I, I have not seen the liquidity of my investment. So before making investment, you have to check your return on investment as well as the liquidity. If it is you have the need that money within the short term, that is a 6 month, 1 month, then you have not to invest in the lock-in period investment or in the any investment that is not easily liquidable. So that you have to understand. You have to check ROI as well as the liquidity of investment. Portfolio audit. Everyone has the lots of the investment like shares, mutual fund, real estate, gold, insurance, bond. Then in the year, you have to find out whether my all investment is working on the right track or not. Suppose that there is some investment that become the non-performing investment, whether you have to remove from your investment or not. So that you will find out from the portfolio audit. And portfolio audit, you have to find. Suppose that I have purchased one share 1 year back, 1 year back in the 100 rupees, and now it is the price like 110, 122. Then you can find out yaar, if I have purchased not A Limited, I have purchased the B Limited company. So that price in the today it is going the 150. So that you can make the plan with your portfolio audit and you can interchange your investment and you can find out if there is a dead investment, there is a non-performing investment, you can sold out and there is the good opportunity you are finding, then you have to invest. Or if suppose that your investment is very good, suppose that you have thought this stock mutual fund will give only 10%, but they are giving the 20%, 25%. There is no need to change. So you have to find out. Suppose that your objective has completed. Suppose that you have made the investment 5 years back to buy home. Now it is the 5 years. Then you have to think out. मुझे कौन-कौन से investment sold out करना है, किसको रखना है, किसको नहीं रखना है. So when you will do the portfolio audit on every year, then you will find out your goal, your right kind of the investment, and everything will be in the good term. And last, definitely, you must have the moral value related to money because money has the lots of the hands and legs. कि आपने एक बार नहीं सोचा वो 1,000 रुपया खर्च होने के लिए तैयार हो जाता है तो you have to create your moral value where you have to make the expenditure and how you have to do. So moral value is the most important thing. Suppose that I have created one moral value कि I will go outside restaurant only once in a month. That is the my moral value for the family कि मैं हम लोग रेस्टोरेंट में एक बार जाएंगे बट सपोज दैट आई एम गिविंग द every week what will happen definitely I will face financial stress I can face some health issue so we have to create some moral value suppose that I have to buy the mobile phone so I have created one moral value कि I have to buy uh, that you can say the less than 10,000 less than 15,000 I am not to go to 25 50,000 100 1 lakh rupees so that kind of the moral value you have to take make the rule regulation if you are not able to make the moral value related to your role then you can discuss to me in indirect way or you can take the my appointment so we can discuss about how you can create the moral value in term of the money. So now I'm going to end my session, and if you have any question, you are most welcome. And I need your some feedback if you have, if you like, and if you have any question, most welcome. So thank you everyone for listening me. Thank you. So any question from anyone like Uma ji, Prem ji, or Rajveer, Geeta ma'am, anyone, any question, any thought, any feedback, anything?
Uh, thank you, Manish ji, for a wonderful talk, and it taught me a lot to manage my money very in a proper manner and know about money very well. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Premji, do you have any question or any feedback for today's session?
I came in late.